everyone, welcome back. Did you reset your iPhone or restore from a backup and now Apple Pay isn't working or your cards are all gone? Here's how to get everything back up and running. After a reset or restore, Apple Pay cards are removed for security. This is normal. You need to re-add all your cards manually. Go to your settings app and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap Add Card. Choose debit or credit card and scan your card or type the details. Your bank will send a verification code to activate it. Enter that. Repeat for each card you want to add back. If you've restored from an iCloud backup, you might see your card listed in your wallet but showing as needed verification. Tap each one and complete the verification. Also, make sure your Apple ID is signed in. Go to settings and make sure your name shows at the top. Without being signed in into your Apple ID, Apple will not activate at all. After re-adding all the cards, test by double-clicking the side button. So all you've got to do is, after a reset, you must re-add cards manually. Settings, wallet, add card, verify with your bank for each one. Apple Pay will fully work again. And that's it. Subscribe.